Hey YouTube, what's up? Sierra here at DIY Dwight, and this week I have a little bit of a different video for you, but I'm really excited about it. So to get started, in the background of some of our videos, you may have seen something that to you seemed pretty cool, or at least I know to me, I think it's really cool. My 72 Chevy truck. Let me introduce you to Tony 2. Actually, there was a Tony 1, if you had already guessed that, and my dad and I bought him off eBay from Tennessee. He was actually from Knoxville, Tennessee, and was a Tennessee Volunteers fan truck. When he pulled up to the driveway, it was so funny. There were two T's on either side of the bed and flags on each windows that we took off promptly because, well, this is Texas. So in high school, trucks just became kind of like a quick love for me. I don't know when it started, but I quickly became in love with them. And I would put him in the front driveway of my house and wax him all the time. Now, unfortunately, a lot of good things do come to an end, and for me and Tony 1, it was a terrible demise. I woke up one morning on May the 13th, it was actually Friday the 13th of all days, and a drunk driver had plowed straight into him at an angle outside my front yard. So when I woke up to go to class, I went outside, opened the door to get in my beloved truck, and it was obliterated, y'all. And I totally thought that was it. He was gone, I was never gonna have another one. But I was lucky enough to have a roommate in college who's now my best friend, and her dad found this truck and bought it, and then didn't really decide to restore it and decided to pass it along to somebody else. And here's a cute picture of the day that I picked it up. So since that day in 2016, Matt and I have had a lot of fun restoring this truck, and now today for our video, we're finishing up something really cool. The wood paneling at the bottom and the decals on the top really needed a lot of restoration. So that's what we're going to show you guys how to do today. But also, Matt rebuilt the carburetor and we've been having a lot of trouble getting the truck started. So today we are really going to try to get that thing started so we can crank it up and show you guys how awesome Tony sounds. Another really cool fact about Tony 2 is he was in attendance at our wedding, and I'll show you guys a picture right here of how cute he looked. Matt and I are going to start unscrewing as we go so that we can get these pieces off the truck and ready to be scraped.
So now we're going to take this distilled white vinegar and put it on top of this old vinyl wood side paneling. Let it soak for about 5 minutes, and then we'll carefully go at it with a chisel and this plastic tool to try and scrape it all off so we can put the new vinyl wrap on. But it got all the extra crud off the side so it doesn't have any extra particles. Okay, so in theory this should be as easy as applying a sticker.
I have a feeling it's not going to be that easy.
It never is.
Well, it's kind of like the perfect size.
Well, it should be.
That looks so good.
Doesn't it? So now you just cut it a little longer than you need, and as you undo it, you wrap it around the back, which is how you get that nice, perfect beveled edge.
It's important that it is straight.
Actually, because I want it to be straight, yeah, just hold that corner like that. I'm gonna undo it all, and then I can line it up.
Yep.
And you can make sure that there's no bubbles. Keep your end taut.
Looks good. I like it. How much did this vinyl cost again? It was like 40 bucks?
Yeah, I think it was about 40 bucks for both the sides and the back.
That is so worth it.
Yeah, well, especially considering these pieces, to replace these pieces is like $300 for the whole set.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Okay, check it out.
One full side is complete. But around the back side, you can see that this is what 50 years does to that wood paneling.
This might take a while. So while Matt's scraping away that old wood vinyl sticker, I figured I'll show you guys around and so you can see what we did, because I know you're dying to see the inside. So the first thing that might catch your eye is this awesome bench seat. Whenever we brought this home, it had a bench seat that you could sit on, but there were a lot of chunks missing out of it. The fabric was torn, it was old, kind of smelled a little bit, and this is a completely brand new bench seat that Matt carved out of some foam that we bought online. And then we went to Good Guy's Car Show and found this this leather upholstery, and it was actually pretty easy to slip on, and we love it. I think it really adds to the whole truck. Up here in all these areas, the visor and the roof, all of these things were actually original, and we cleaned them up as best as we could. Now for the door panel, all of these items here were actually original. This is not, however. We bought this on LMC. It is not exactly, to me, as pretty as the original comes out that's metal. This is kind of like a hard plastic material, but the armrest is original, and this is original, and all of the handles are original, and I really like keeping things as pure as they can be. This is a brand new dash panel that we also bought from LMC, and the cluster is all hooked up, and we redid all of the wiring. This is the original radio, super cool. Here, I'll show it to you. This is the original radio. However, we did change out this this vent because it was kind of old and rusty, and I kind of like that new shiny look. And the air conditioner in here does work, super cool. And I found this dash panel cover online, and black, and it's sleek, and it popped on super easily, and I totally recommend those. We replaced the inside and outside lights as well. When I bought this truck in 2016, there was some damage to the right fender, so Matt and I replaced that, along with the grille, both front and back bumpers, the tail lights and the tail light decals, and we replaced the headlights. Now, one of my favorite transformations that you will see today at the end of this video, and we're going to get right back to it, is the tailgate emblem and vinyl decal. It's going to look good, you guys. Let's get back and check out Matt. First, Matt and I had to finish scraping the vinyl. And then we popped off all the letters. Then Matt and his sister sanded down the panel nice and smooth. Next, we gave the black trim a fresh coat of paint. Then it was time to place the wood vinyl sticker.
Boom!
Look at how good that looks.
Holy moly, that looks brand new.
See that?
Matt used super glue to place the letters back on.
After rebuilding the upper half of the carburetor again, all we have left to do is to reattach and tighten down the fuel lines. I'm gonna over tighten the toe. Alright baby, you wanna try cranking it one more time? you doing?
Doing good.
Real good?
Doing so good. My truck got started today,
Yeah?
and I got the nice vinyl all done today.
Yeah, your vinyl does look real good, don't it?
I think we should tell the people on YouTube how happy we are about it.
Okay, let's tell them.
Thanks for coming by to watch us do stuff to our truck. We love it. I hope you loved it too.
It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool, really. It'd be really cool too if you subscribe to our channel and stuff.
Yeah, that'd be cool too. Don't forget to subscribe.
Hit the like button, you know.
Leave a comment below if you like this video.
We love when you do that.
Cool.
Peace.